All right, hi everybody. You're welcome once again to my Sahara Sub channel. And today we're going to be looking at the metaverse and unboxing the Oculus Quest 2 by Meta or Facebook. And what we do at Merit Circle is that we are building the metaverse. And as part of building the metaverse, we're exploring all facets of it and exploring everything that we can explore in that realm. One of the things we actually come to realize is that we can actually have our meetings in the metaverse. So I'm just going to have a bit of exploration and see how that's going to look like or what it's going to feel like. So today I'm feeling like a robot, or my avatar, my metaverse avatar. I feel more robotic. So I'm just going to select my robotic avatar and join someone special in a meeting. So we're having a meeting in the metaverse, but you can only attend as an avatar. So I'm going to go with a robotic avatar to join the meeting. All right. Hello everyone, great to meet you guys here in the virtual reality space. I guess we're having a poker game today. Oh, Mark is here. Welcome, Mark.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, Hi, Mark. What's up, Mark?
Hope you joined us in the poker game today.
Whoa, we're floating in space?
Hi everyone, so you're welcome to the unboxing video of the Oculus Quest 2, my very first unboxing video content, and let's see how this goes. So Oculus Quest 2 is from Facebook, now known as Meta, and let's see what other things we have here. So this is the 128GB version, and what we expected in the box is that there's a VR headset, a silicone cover for facial interface, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glasses spacer, and a charging cable. So this is what we're expecting in the box. And yeah, a Facebook account is also required. So those of you who don't like Facebook that much, just know that you need a Meta account to use your Oculus Quest 2 to the optimal. All right, let's unbox this thing now. Here we go. Ew. So that's the first error we're getting. Let's see what we're gonna do with that. I don't have fingernails, so I might struggle a little with this.
A few moments later.
All right, so this is what we have here. How do I do this now? All right, so I'm just flipping it to the side. I'm gonna roll this out. All right. Oculus Quest 2. Let's see. Okay. Wow. All right, so this is what we have here now. As mentioned already, 2 touch controllers. I don't know if there are indications of left and right. Yeah, so they're indicated left and right. So this for the left hand. Feel very artistic. I love the touch and the feel of it. So this for the left, written left and written right. What else do we have here? Okay, let's see what's in the box. Difficult opening. How do I do this? Okay, let's flip it open. I guess, okay, what's here? There's some bunch of manual. I don't know who still read manual in this era. We read everything online or watch a YouTube video to know how to use our devices. So I'm just gonna throw this somewhere. Yeah, bye-bye. So it comes with a cable, charging cable, and an adapter. Very good. What else? So now this is the biggest device in here, which is the Oculus itself. Okay, this is the glass spacer for those who wear glasses. So you use this to create a space between the headset itself and your glasses. All right. Then Oculus itself. Okay, what's in here? What's this called? All right, this is a silicone cover. This is a silicone cover protector or something. And the strap itself for the gear, and a bit of paper wrapped around it. I'm gonna take this off. Bye bye. What else do we have in here? So what do we have with the lens? It says no, I don't know if you can see that, no sunlight on lenses. Then French, I think German, I don't read those languages. So we're gonna peel this off. And good. There's also a power button. This is the right hand side, and a charging port. I want to believe this should be the jack for the microphone or headset or something. I don't know what it is, so we're gonna figure it out. And I believe there are some sensors here, kind of like cameras. And the volume control, decrease, increase. Okay, this is a microphone, and there's a power button, probably an indicator over there. And yeah, good. All right, so this is the right touch controller. I love the feel of it. So there's a button here, there's also a button underneath it, and there are button A and B, and other microcontrollers like a joystick here. It's a power button, and so there's a handle. So for those who get, for those who might want to drop it, you could just use this as a strap to hold it, prevent it from dropping. And also lastly, there's it comes with a battery. It's battery powered. So I'll do with that. All right. Alright guys, so right now we are suited up, kitted. I can only see one handle because I've not taken off the black strip and this second handle, so I'll have to pull it off to activate it. There's a black strip here that I have to pull it off, and so let's do that. It's a bit hard. Okay, let's see one more time. Good. So awesome. So I have both touch controllers activated, so you can't see what I'm seeing. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to activate the mobile app, link it up, pair both devices, and try and do a screencast so you can also see what I'm saying. Catch you later. You have to have the mobile app connected as well on your mobile phone, available for iOS and Android devices. I use an Android device, so there's a Oculus Quest 2 Android mobile app. It's asking me to activate my Bluetooth, so I'm gonna do that. Click continue. So this is my Facebook identity. Yeah. Once again, you need your Facebook account or your Meta account connected to the Oculus Quest 2. So I have my Facebook account connected already. So we're going to click continue. It also connects to your Messenger. And these are my friends from Facebook Messenger. Continue. Now, I'm not adding anyone right now. Continue. Choose what page people see. Friends on Oculus. Your activity name will only be visible on Oculus. Yeah, I don't use Facebook that much anymore. I use it just for page activity. So I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna skip this. I'm gonna skip my card details for now. So in case you want to buy games or an immersive app to have a feel of the game of them. So this is just in case you want to make purchases, in-app purchases, you have to add your card details. But I'm going to skip that for now as well. So Oculus is involved in other devices. So you have the Quest 2, Quest, Rift S, and Go. But we are using the Quest 2 for today. It brought me back to the Messenger. Continue. Setting for headsets. Pairing. I'm going to turn on my Quest 2. Your code is detected automatically. I believe my Quest is activated. Put on your headset to finish the device setup. Okay guys, so now we are connected to the VR headset and this is what I can see. So I had to set up the screencast. So I'm casting to my phone and to my PC. It's quite easy on how to do that. Just follow the instructions. I got some YouTube videos anyway, so you could go to oculus.com/casting to cast to your PC, and you can also cast directly to your mobile device. And also you can, if you have a Google Chromecast, you can cast to your TV set, or if you have a smart TV. All right, so this is what I'm saying. There is a little menu button here. It has force feedback. These are my hands, my touch controllers, left and right. So it's a little menu in front of me. So I'm going to click on apps. It comes with, I had 2 apps pre-installed. That's the Move and the First Step. Then I also got a game. So let me scroll up. So I got a game 11, a tennis game I've been playing the past few days now. So it took me a while from the first recording that we did to continue with the screencast because I was having issues trying to figure it out. So let's look at what's in file folder. So the file folder contains some of the screencast recording I've done already. So this is a picture, I took a screenshot. So cancel. So if you're actually using the right controller to point and control, you can also use the left hand as well. So I'm going to close this browser and so explore. What's in the explore? So this takes you to the Oculus Marketplace to buy apps and have more immersed experiences. What about the next button? This is a store actually. So usually you can buy more apps. We have the store featured top charts, new releases, game category. So I have my Facebook account connected already. And what the next button?
These are the triggers on your controllers.
These are the triggers here, the control buttons here. So trigger right.
Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers.
So you have here, moving target. Move around a little. Always make sure you stay within the guidance boundary so you don't hit objects within your living space or wherever you set up the VR.